My name is James Mason with Transparent Traders, and as a trader, you need to know how to trade with an EMA line. More specifically, the non-EMA line. If you don't, I'll show you. Here we are, we're looking at Tilray again. In that last video, we just learned how to draw your support and resistance lines. Now this is where it gets great for you. And this really just simplifies trading, especially swing trading. So now that we have our support and resistances, add the non-EMA, which will be this white line. I like to use the non-EMA line because that EMA is weighted heavier than the SMA, and that matters. Now, what we are looking for is we're not looking for the candlesticks to break above that support or resistance. We're actually waiting for that non-EMA line to do it on whatever time frame, really. So this is the 30-minute chart. We can put it on the 4-hour chart just so you can see. And it's the same concept. So we're waiting for that non-EMA line to either break above a support or below a support, depending on which way you're wanting to trade, before making our entry here. But going back to this 30-minute chart, let's just look at this. The non-EMA crosses above that resistance right there. When that line crosses above it, if you're wanting to go bullish, that's when you make your entry. Where you put your stop just slightly below that resistance. And you let that thing ride. And you can see how this would have played out for you. So that's Tilray. Here we go. It's breaking above all these lines. I mean, it's a perfect trade, literally. It breaks above that one. Then when it comes down, when that non-EMA comes down and breaks through that support, that's when you want to short it. And you can see how that works out. So really, the key to trading is just keeping it simple. Find those support resistance lines, throw that non-EMA up there, and you wait for that non-EMA line to break that support or resistance, depending on which way you want to trade, and you make your entry then.